Giannis Antetokounmpo's relentless drive, athleticism, and towering presence have shaped not only his basketball dominance but also the design direction of his signature Nike Freak 7 line. The upcoming Bred For It edition reflects this fusion of intensity and individuality, offering a bold twist on the classic Bred concept. Instead of the standard deep red tones, the shoe leans toward a striking solar red, edging into pink territory while balancing darker elements through its Swoosh and GA branding. This creative choice highlights Nike's intent to redefine expectations and match Giannis's unique energy on the court. Most Freak 7 colorways so far embrace neon or hi-vis shades, with only a few exceptions like the Team Banks series. Launching October 1st at $115, the Bred For It underscores Giannis's influence on sneaker culture and showcases a vibrant, unexpected evolution.